Exploring the phrase, gangway. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a nautical term that has found its way into everyday English, gangway. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it appropriately. Gangway originally refers to the side of a ship. It's an area or platform used to board or disembark the vessel. Over time, the term evolved and began to describe a passageway or an aisle. Imagine you're on a ship, and you see a narrow path that leads from one side of the ship to the other. That's the gangway. It ensures that people can move safely without falling overboard. While gangway has a specific maritime meaning, it has also been adopted into colloquial English with a slightly different twist. Today, it can be used as an exclamation to tell people to clear the path or move out of the way. For instance, if someone is carrying a heavy object and needs space to move, they might shout, "Gangway," to alert others to step aside. To further grasp the concept, here are some sentences where gangway is used. 1. Please clear the gangway so passengers can disembark from the ship. 2. When he saw the spilled water on the floor, he yelled, "Gangway," to prevent anyone from slipping. 3. Make a gangway for the performers to reach the stage. And there you have it. From ships to shouting in a crowded room, the term gangway has made a fascinating journey in the English language. We hope you found this exploration enlightening and that you'll confidently use gangway in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.